question is from the past paper, Feb March 2021, paper number 22. This question is for partnerships. Faraz, Javed, and Lee. These three peoples were partners in a firm, and there was an agreement. Interest on drawing 5%, interest on capital 12%. Only Javed is getting salary of 9,000 and their profit sharing is 4, 3 and 3. Capital balances, current account balances, drawing amount is given. We knows that residual profit appropriation account starts from the residual profit, right? Residual profit we need to compute. How to compute residual profit is very easy. The format starts from profit for the year. It starts from profit for the year. The residual profit format starts from profit for the year, and profit for the year will always given. If it asks directly appropriation, it can be given. Otherwise, it will ask you to make income statement, calculate profit, then only you can do the appropriation. You must have profit or loss before you start the appropriation. We got profit. We know that three items comes here. Item number one is salaries. Salary to partner. Who is getting salary? Getting salaries. So I can see only that point number three, Mr. Javed. Javed is the one. He is getting salary of 9,000 for the year, and we are doing working for the year. So we deducted 9,000 as a salary of Javed. He is the only person who is getting salaries. Then we know we are deducting here interest on capital. Interest on capital, they gave you the percentage, which is 12% on capital. So we have three partners. Number one is Mr. Faraz. Then we have Mr. Javed. And then we have Mr. Lee. Faraz, Javed, and Lee. Percentage is 12%. So 12%, this is interest on capital. Interest on capital applies on the capital amount. The capital amount is given to you, which is 80,000, 60,000, and 50,000. Because interest on capital always applies on the percentage on the amount of capital. So we applies and we got answers. 80,000 into 12%. If I calculate it from the calculator, it will come 9,600. Then 60,000 into 12%, 7,200. 50,000 into 12% is 6,000. The third item which must come here is interest on drawings, but as we know, interest on drawings must be added, not deducted. Percentage is given to you in the question. Three partners, Faraz, Javed, and Lee. The percentage of interest on drawing is 5%. So this 5% is interest on drawing. So this percentage will apply on the amount of withdrawal, amount of drawing made by each partners, which is given 22,400, 17,200, and 20,200. If I apply the percentage of interest on drawings on the amount of drawing, I will get answers 1120, 860, 1010. These three items, when we adjust from the net profit or from the profit for the year, we used to get the answer of distributable profit or residual profit. In this case, if I use calculator, my residual profit will come 2690. After getting the profit, so it will be shared amongst partners. So profit share. We do have three pupils, Faraz, Javed, and Lee. The sharing for profit is 4, 3, and 3. 4 plus 3 plus 3, total 10. Faraz will get 4 out of 10. Javed will get 3 out of 10. Lee will get 3 out of 10. And the amount of residual profit is 2690. All of them will get their share as per the fraction given, and we get the answer 107, sorry, 807, 807. So let me check it. 107, and its total is matching. And that's it for the appropriation account. These are 5 marks. These are 5 easy marks. Any problem, please ask me. This question has one more requirement, which is requirement B. I just shared. Requirement B is 2 reasons why partnership agreements sometimes include provision to charge interest on drawing. If I make this requirement easy for you, this means that why we are charging interest on drawing? Why? Why interest on drawing? Why? What is the need of interest on drawing? So the reason behind charging interest on drawing is to restrict partners for making excessive drawings, 1 mark, and to reward partners who are doing least drawings by charging those partners who are doing more drawings. So these are very easy 2 marks. This is theory. Why interest on drawing? So we did that. Appropriation 5 marks. Small theory 2 marks. C requirement is to make the current account of Mr. Javed. We learned to make current accounts. This is the point of current account. BD, and we know how to do that. Only Javed. So where is Javed? Here is Javed. Current account opening balance is how much? When we were learning this chapter, I told you that current account balance can be on debit side, it might be on credit side. It will given to you in the question. So for Javed, the current account opening balance is on debit side. Now, if I recall the format was like that. Interest on capital, interest on drawings, salary, profit share, and drawings. That was the format of current account which we learned earlier. Our focus is to search Mr. Javed. Here is Javed. This is Javed. That is Javed. And ultimately this is Javed. The green highlight. Salary for Javed. 9,000. Okay, done. Interest on capital for Javed. 7,200. Done. Interest on drawing. 860. Done. Profit share. 807. Done. Drawings. How much drawings? Drawings. Javed drawings. 17,200. Done. Ultimately, we need to do CD and BD. Which side is higher? Which side is lower? Let's do that. Once we do that, we comes to know that debit side is higher and credit side is lower. If I make a total, this is 20960, which means both sides must have equal balance. And small one, 3953 is the balancing amount, which is the CD balance. BDCD, we are very used to it, so I did it directly. And we have this very easy requirement for 6 marks. You can imagine examiner asks current account for 6 marks. 6 marks. And that's it for this particular question. Remember one thing, this is 2021 past paper. At that time, the syllabus was totally different. So only we can do till requirement C, requirement E, D, E, F, G. For this question is not no more in your course. They are no more in 2023 syllabus. So we restrict our solution till what is in our new syllabus, which is still requirement number C, and that's it for this particular question.